Why the first 100K feels like a mountain while the next 100K or even your first million seems to come faster. The truth is, the first 100K is the hardest money you'll ever earn. Even billionaire investors like Charlie Munger say this, and most wealthy people agree. But why? And more importantly, how can you reach it faster and build lasting wealth? Let's break it down. Why the first 100K feels so difficult. It's mostly self-funded. The first 100K relies heavily on your personal contributions. Compounding hasn't kicked in yet, so the dollar growth feels small. The temptation to spend is high. Everyday purchases, lifestyle upgrades, and social pressures make it easy to spend money that could be invested. Fear of risk holds people back. Many avoid investing because they're afraid of losing money, missing the point that risk is necessary for growth. Instant gratification versus long-term gains. Saving and investing takes patience. Humans naturally prefer short-term pleasure, making the first milestone feel slow. Lack of mindset and clarity. Without a clear goal, the process feels endless, and the first 100K seems like a distant dream. In short, the first 100K seems daunting because it's a test of discipline, patience, and strategy. Mindset shift to achieving the first 100K. To get your first 100K, your mindset has to change. Think in terms of wealth creation, not income. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you save and invest. Value long-term freedom over short-term pleasures. Every dollar invested now is a step toward independence. Accept that discomfort is part of growth. Missing dinners, delaying purchases, and cutting non-essential spending may feel hard, but it's temporary. Focus on building habits, not just numbers. Saving consistently, automating investments, and controlling spending builds long-term results. Once this mindset is internalized, the path to 100K becomes not just possible, but exciting. Principles to achieving your first 100K. Here are the key principles for reaching this milestone. Automate and prioritize saving. Make your money work for you before you spend it. Pay yourself first. Invest consistently. Even small amounts grow over time thanks to compound interest. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase your expenses every time your income grows. Focus on high-leverage opportunities. Take calculated risks where potential rewards outweigh the cost. Diversify to reduce risk while maximizing potential returns. Track progress and celebrate milestones. Motivation increases when you see your portfolio grow. 5 actionable steps to reach your first 100K. Here's a concrete roadmap you can start today. Step 1. Set a clear goal. Decide exactly how much you want to save, by when, and write it down. Break it into monthly or weekly targets to make it manageable. Step 2. Increase your income. Take a side hustle, freelance work, or commission-based job. Leverage your skills online or offline to earn extra income. Channel every extra dollar toward investments or savings. Step 3. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account or brokerage account. Pay yourself first before any bills or spending. Step 4. Control spending. Track daily expenses and identify areas to cut back. Delay non-essential purchases and redirect that money toward growth. Avoid lifestyle inflation, like buying luxury items just because your income grew. Step 5. Take calculated investment risks. Start investing in stocks, ETFs, or index funds. Once you have 10 to 20K in savings, consider higher return opportunities like small business ventures or real estate. Diversify to reduce risk while maximizing potential returns. Why 100K feels like a daunting task? Psychologically, 100K is a large round number that triggers fear and doubt. Social comparison makes it feel even further away, as friends and colleagues may appear ahead with flashy items even if they aren't financially secure. Lack of visible results early on can feel discouraging, but the early grind is essential before compounding takes over. How to build success once you hit 100K. Once you reach 100K, reinvest your gains. Let compound interest accelerate your wealth. Take bigger but calculated risks. Start a side business, invest in real estate, or explore higher growth opportunities. Maintain disciplined habits. Continue saving and controlling spending. The habits matter more than the amount at this stage. Leverage opportunities. With 100K, you can pivot careers, negotiate better deals, or seize opportunities that require capital. Expand your financial literacy. Learn about tax strategies, investment vehicles, and wealth management to grow even faster. By following these steps, 100K isn't just a milestone, it's the foundation for lifelong wealth. Final thoughts and call to action. The first 100K is the hardest, but it's also the gateway to financial freedom. By changing your mindset, following principles, and taking actionable steps, you can make the process faster and more rewarding. If you're ready to start your journey, hit that like button now and subscribe for more strategies on building real wealth. You don't want to miss what's next.